Besito. Ay, qué rico los besitos.
Dame un besito, dame un besito.
¿Qué?
Ay, qué rico. Ay, ay, ay.
No,
Welcome
besito.
back
No.
to the vlog.
I'm Dennis.
I'm Daniel, and these are our boys, Dean and Devin. And we have been a little lost. The Dad Hour podcast has kind of taken over our channel, but not to fear, our vlogging is here. We have our boys that are talking up a storm. ¿Cómo ustedes se sienten hoy?
Happy.
Happy. Happy. Y vamos a ver, why am I speaking Spanish? And we're gonna go see our first baseball game together. We're taking the boys
To Marlins Park, where we had our third or fourth date. Oh, okay.
Sí.
Hoy no cajo, papi.
Also for everyone who tuned in to the Dad Hour podcast, thank you so much for your love and for your support. I really appreciate it. The first episode was very emotional where our surrogate and I retold the story. So thank you guys for
That
that.
was a great episode. You did a wonderful job.
Thank you, babe.
And we're also getting ready to go on a cruise. So we're gonna do a Royal Caribbean Harmony of the Seas. I can't wait. I haven't done a cruise in probably 10 plus years. And you as well, right?
I haven't done one since I was 12.
Yeah, so we're due for a cruise.
Yes, we're gonna celebrate the boys' third birthday, Dennis's birthday, Father's Day, and just celebrate as much as we can.
We're gonna go to, what are our stops? We're doing Coco Cay, we're doing St. Thomas, and we're doing St. Kitts. So that should be fun. I've never been to any of those.
But first, we are going to go to the Marlins game. So right now, what we're gonna do is 1 week of vlog and 1 week podcast.
Yeah.
So we'll kind of alternate to kind of
For like 20 weeks, right? Because there's 10 episodes.
for a while, and
For
we'll
a
see
while.
how that goes. Let us know if you guys watched the first episode of the podcast and what did you think. Also, if you have any suggestions for toddlers on a cruise, also let us know down in the comments.
Give us as much advice as you can for anything toddler related, for that matter.
I think they come to us for advice.
Yeah, I think we got this. We got this. We don't give ourselves enough credit.
Yes. So we are going to change and head over to the park.
Let's do this.
Okay, so we are at Lone Depot Park. It is the boys' first baseball game that they ever attend. Yeah! And we are excited. If you know anything about Cuban culture, you know that we love baseball. It is part of our culture, it's part of our heritage. I grew up going to baseball games with my grandfather, and here we are with our boys taking them to their first game ever, and we are not gonna be by ourselves. The whole family is joining us, so we're excited. We're excited to have some food. They have some good Cuban sandwiches here, so we can't wait. I see people I recognize. Hello. Hello. Hello.
I haven't even gave you your stomach yet. Only one of them.
We are here with the G Kids. Woo! Oh, he has plenty of hats for us.
In case you forget where you're from, Gabriella.
Come on, guys. So this is our cousin Jim, and he invited us to watch the game.
And he's from Kansas City.
So he got us all Kansas City hats. I mean, we might as well support Kansas City because Miami, like the stadium is empty. just support Kansas City. Why not? But we're really going for Miami. There's not too many stadiums in the world where you can order un pan con lechon, pan cubano, or pan con bistec. But in Miami, you can. What is that, Marlins shirt with a Royals hat? So the reason why the game is so empty today is because the Miami Heat are in the finals.
Yeah, so everybody's there and not here.
Yeah, we don't have enough sports fans in Miami for both. It's the same group. So Dennis and I, our third date was here in this stadium.
Yes.
But on the other side.
We sat all the way over there and here. Let's go sit over there.
Now we have toddlers. I'm just paranoid that the ball is gonna hit us.
Okay, I'm not worried.
I hope so, because
Or I'll just move him in front of me when it comes.
you were doing just fine. If you haven't noticed, Devin has a huge mark on his cheek because right before we were leaving the house, he bumped his head super hard on the dining room table. He's leaving. Dean, ven para acá. And it was very, very painful. Nene, ven acá. Mira, saluda. ¿Te dolió yayay? No, no te dolió. ¿Qué hay ahí? Una casa. ¿Un besito? ¿Besito? No besito for me. So we went all around the park to find the sensory room, which is this little itty bitty room to keep toddlers entertained. Woo! They can't hear me, so they have a whole bunch of these little cool things. Toddler's dream. Wow, ¿te gusta eso?
No.
¿Te gusta? Oh! Ah! All right, so we left
And we won.
and we won. Woohoo!
So it's
Ganamos! Ganamos! Yay! You guys are the Marlins lucky charm.
6 games in a row.
6 in a row, 7 games over.
That sensory room was everything.